The Life and Teachings of Gautama Buddha. Born over 2,500 years ago, one man's quest for truth changed the course of history. His name was Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, the Enlightened One. Today, we dive into his life and the profound teachings that continue to inspire millions around the world. The birth of Siddhartha. Born into a royal family in Lumbini, Nepal, Siddhartha Gautama lived a life of luxury and comfort. His father, King Suddhodana, shielded him from the outside world, hoping to protect him from the harsh realities of life. But destiny had different plans. Siddhartha was destined for something far greater than earthly pleasures. As a young prince, Siddhartha had everything he could ever want: wealth, beauty, and power. But one fateful day, he ventured outside the palace walls. What he saw would change him forever. Segment 2, The Four Sights. Siddhartha encountered four sights that deeply disturbed him: an old man, a sick person, a dead body, and a wandering ascetic. These sights revealed to him the inevitable suffering of life, aging, illness, and death. For the first time, Siddhartha realized that wealth and pleasure could not shield him from the harsh truths of existence. These encounters led Siddhartha to a powerful realization: all life is impermanent, and suffering is a fundamental part of the human experience. He decided to leave his royal life behind and embark on a journey in search of the truth. Segment 3, The Quest for Enlightenment. Siddhartha renounced his kingdom, family, and possessions. He traveled far and wide, seeking wisdom from various teachers and practicing extreme asceticism. But even after years of rigorous discipline, Siddhartha found no lasting peace. Then, one day, exhausted and weak, he sat under a tree in Bodh Gaya, vowing not to rise until he found the answer to life's suffering. It was here, after days of meditation and self-reflection, that Siddhartha finally achieved enlightenment. Segment 4, The Enlightenment. Siddhartha Gautama became the Buddha. He understood the nature of suffering, its causes, and the path to end it. This insight formed the foundation of his teachings, known as the Four Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. The Four Noble Truths are simple yet profound. 1. Life is suffering, dukkha. 2. Suffering is caused by attachment and desire, tanha. 3. It is possible to end suffering, nirvana. 4. The path to the cessation of suffering is the Eightfold Path. Segment 5, The Eightfold Path. The Eightfold Path is a guide to ethical and mental development. It includes: 1. Right understanding. 2. Right intent. 3. Right speech. 4. Right action. 5. Right livelihood. 6. Right effort. 7. Right mindfulness. 8. Right concentration. By following this path, one can cultivate wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental discipline, ultimately leading to liberation from suffering in the attainment of